The idea started after the shutdown of Google Reader, and as we built the product and got its feedback, we came to a conclusion that the world does not need another RSS reader. The world needs a complete knowledge platform that gathers together all knowledge sources, including articles, books, events, courses, videos, Q&As. Prezi is a social knowledge platform that makes everyone's knowledge public and rewardable. People are sharing knowledge now in social networks like Facebook and Twitter. These networks are so noisy with lots of unrelated things, which makes sharing knowledge there so hard. Prezi will be the convenient place to share knowledge, and it will gather people and networks around this target. People will be able to build their network of friends having the same interests and knowledge topics. It will also allow people to stay updated with their topics of interest and always follow news and updates from their preferred sources. In addition, Prezi will help you build a profile that reflects your knowledge, showing the world more about who you are and what you know. We added our fun corner by rewarding people for their daily activity and knowledge increase, by score, badges, and rich profiles representing their skills. Prezi is spreading and reshaping knowledge as it has never been before. At Prezi, we believe that knowledge is one of the main pillars for having a successful life. So we started and we plan to survive. At Prezi, we deliver knowledge.